Hey guys, thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel. I just wanted to quickly introduce myself and talk about why I started this channel and what to expect. So, first and foremost, I am Christian Carson. I am a recent Texas A&M graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering Technology. I also, during this time, had the privilege of being the professional development executive for my men's organization. So I have a little bit of experience in a couple of different areas, and in those engineering classes that I took, I graduated with A's in about 90% of those classes, and if I didn't graduate with an A in those classes, don't worry about it because I'm probably not going to talk about those. And then I also took macro and microeconomics, which I finished top 10% of my class in, so expect some videos on economics topics as well as seeing videos, the typical physics, manufacturing processes, metallic, non-metallic materials, and all the other ones associated with engineering. And my goal is to make these videos to provide free educational content to hopefully provide new students with a little bit of an upper hand in their journey. My freshman semester didn't go very well. I actually had a 2.3 GPA and then ended up finishing with a 3.8. So it would have been really nice my freshman year to have something like this. So that was my goal, to just create free educational content to help new students, and then even other people, whether they be high school students or young professionals just looking to sharpen up on their skills. But yeah, so let me know what kind of videos that you would like to see based off that experience that I have, whether you actually want to see some professional development videos as well, or just stick to the typical educational stuff. But thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel. I really appreciate it. Leave any comments, criticism, suggestions down below, and God bless. And by the way, I totally forgot to mention that part of my credentials is not only that I'm just a recent graduate from Texas A&M, but I also have a job working full-time as a manufacturing engineer for Bell Flight in the aerospace industry. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, I can make videos on that as well. And if none of this is enough for you and you need something a little bit more hands-on, I also run a business doing one-on-one tutoring online. So feel free to reach out to me at the email in the description.